Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing, and today it is a Kaweco pen again. And I have a blue Victorinox knife from 2020, and I will show you the pen I got. So let me see where this opens, and let's try to be fast opening this, if I can find how it is closed. Maybe here. Okay, this is a pen that I got. This will not be easy, so I will just do it in the wrong and hard way. So I think this is my receipt or equivalent. Yes. And here we have the pen, and let's take a look. So first I want to say, for those people that say that I always get Kaweco Sport pens, that's the pen that I really collect. Today I got a pen that it is not a Kaweco Sport, and it's not a modern Kaweco pen. It is an older pen that it is not a sport. And so let's see what I have here. You can see it here. Let me just close the knife, and I will show you the pen. And here it is. It is a very nice looking pen, in my opinion. It has that chalk there. I'm not sure if the chalk is quite original. And it says Kaweco, and here it has the name of the model, U51, and then does it mean it is a 1.1 nib? Not sure. It has this flat top. It has some remains of that knurled thing, and then it has a flat bottom, and I don't see any remains of that knurling thing that usually is present. It should be a piston filler, a button filler. And let me uncap it and show it to you. And here it is, a nice, oops, let me try to focus this. A nice 14 karat gold nib by Kaweco, and yes, I think it is a 1.1 stub nib. That's not the kind of thing that I like the most, but maybe in this vintage one it is nicer. You can see, I think lots of line variation is to be expected. And now the interesting thing, it is a small pen, but when you look at it, it's really similar to a Parker dual-fold pen. So I have here a Parker DQ, which is much bigger. I have Parker dual-fold Junior, which is about the same size, but it is thicker than the Kaweco. I also have a Senior dual-fold, which is the same size almost as the DQ, but girthier. And I have here the Lady dual-fold, and I think it's really the same size of the Lady dual-fold, as you can see here. And just, it is a nice, interesting pen. I want to show you also next, it has some white thing, but I don't think it's cracked there, it's just the white marbling. I want to show it next to a Kaweco Special, a vintage one, which is also nice. You can see they have the same kind of clip, although this one has in vertical, that one has in the horizontal. This one has the logo there, and that one has the logo there, before Kaweco, there. And they are interesting pens. Let me show you both nibs. The nib on this one, on the special, is bigger, but the pen is bigger also. And here are the feeds. So I would say that this pen is really similar to a Parker Duofold, the vintage ones. I have here an older, kind of a modern, it's not the most current version, a blue Parker Centennial Duofold and the blue Lapis blue Parker International Duofold. So these are not the same finish, they are different finishes, and here comes the Kaweco in between. So a very nice, interesting pen by Kaweco. I'm quite curious about testing it. It was described as being in working condition, I think. And yes, there is definitely some air coming out there. It's just like this. It is usually a very simple mechanism to fix if you need to. This one is also a button filler, which is interesting because most Kaweco pens were piston filler. So maybe these were for export and not for intern for German market. This is a very interesting pen. I'm really glad I had it. It was not cheap. It came from Germany, from Martini Auctions, and so far I am pleased. Maybe a little smaller than I thought, but I'm quite interested in it, at least in using it for some time to write with it, to test it, and then to decide if I will keep it in my personal collection or if it will find some other owner someday. So this was my video on this Kaweco U51. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!